Hello, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to create demand curves using Excel. So I have a file here that's using supply and demand information. And so in order to create my chart, I'm simply going to go under Insert, Chart, and I'm going to choose the scatter chart. And I'll use the lines because it shows well. But the reason for the scatter chart is it's the only one that allows you to plot two data points. So I'm going to go to Add, and I'm just going to call it Demand. And my X, here's the key about the supply and demand charts. You definitely want to be sure that your supply is on the X-axis and that your demand is on the Y-axis. And there we have a demand curve. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.